Jacaranda FM, your number one feel-good station. Tabiso Kambule is my name, the Fresh Prince of Entertainment. Ek saam met jou al die pad tot 6 uur. En ja, na hierdie naweek. Okay, bel ons praat hier daaroor, maar die is nou 'n vraag wat ek gou van jou wil weet, reg? When your team loses, and they've been losing, hey, but yeah, when your team loses, who do you blame it on? Do you blame it on the ref? Do you blame it on the coach and management? Do you blame it on the players? Or do you actually take blame for it? Want jy sit op die gat waar jy is en jy gaan nie stadium toe om te gaan support nie. So let me know on 0848500942. Who do you blame when your team loses?